want a generous overlap so that when I put the next layer of tape on top, I'm going to put a layer of tape on, and the tape to itself sticks moderately well, but you can still peel it off, whereas if we just use tape to join it to the surface, it does peel off quite well on the layer of multi-adhesive, because it's quite a shiny surface, but it can also tear the paper underneath, and we definitely don't want that. So we'll put a layer either side of tape, and then you'll put tape on tape, allowing you to peel it off. But I can peel that all the way off and take the wing apart. Again, I've put the tape on both sides, a little bit of a wrap at the back. And in this case, because I haven't, normally I'd have an extension cable going from here to here so that if it did have a catastrophic stack, it would break apart and it could pull these two cables apart. But in this case, because I'm still waiting for parts, I'm just going to put it through direct. I'm fairly confident in my flying most of the time. Start from the top. It's a neat sticky tape job, or as neat a job as we can. And that will be plenty. It's kind of like a lot of modern bicycle helmets. They're designed to explode on impact, so the load gets spread over a large area. You can see that that's quite solid. Put that in there. And there's a first look at our wing.